We live in an information age. Everyone is constantly being bombarded with new information, news, and advertisements on the next new and best thing. As an advertiser, it can be harder and harder to stick out and actually get your message across to viewers. So what is the best advertising platform for you to spend your hard-earned advertising dollars on so you can actually get measurable results and stick out from the crowd? To Andrew from Biteplay, coming back at you again. Today, I'm going to be comparing YouTube ads to other advertising platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Google. We'll have a fight to the death to see which one is the best. Like everything on the internet, the best advertising opportunities change very quickly. People used to open their emails all the time. Websites used to rank very easily with a little bit of SEO. And women used to reply back to me. Now all they do is eat hot chip and lie. Obviously this is not the case anymore, so what can we do to break the barrier? You need to find a blue ocean opportunity. This is something that is not too oversaturated, but has been proven to work in the past. I'm going to make the case that YouTube is that opportunity. Everyone and their mom has a Facebook ads agency or is trying to start one, including me, or is using Facebook to promote their brand in general. Facebook ads are like Tinder. The user swipes and your ad vanishes into the void of annoying ads, never to be seen again. Facebook is good and it works, or else people wouldn't be using it, but it's certainly not the best, and it's definitely past its golden age. Eventually, YouTube will pass its golden age too. For now though, you have to make use of the current blue ocean because there's lots of opportunity and less competition compared to other platforms. Let me give you a few reasons to illustrate why. You don't need a wheelbarrow full of $100 pills to advertise on YouTube or have a fancy trust fund set up by your fraudster father either. Some people have the misconception that only people with big budgets succeed with YouTube ads, but many people with lower budgets are succeeding with YouTube ads on a daily basis. At the end of the day, it's about the message and not as much the video. Take the Here in My Garage ad as an example. Tai Lopez recorded that with an iPhone camera. Sure, he had a big budget to spend on ads, but that was only after testing a little bit at first, seeing it worked, reinvesting continually into the YouTube advertising platform, and having a giant snowball effect. YouTube also has the skip button, and I love the skip button. Why? You only pay once someone watches past the 30-second mark in your ad. That way, you only pay a small amount, which could be as low as 1 cent per view for qualified prospects to watch your ad the entire way through. Compare that to something like Google Ads, which can have a pretty high cost per click for every time someone clicks on your ad in search. And since there is less competition on YouTube, prospects are cheaper and more qualified. Video also just resonates with you in a way that text and images cannot. Video will grab you out of your seat, pull you through your computer monitor, and put you through an experience that simply looking at an image or reading some text cannot do. A picture is worth 1,000 words, so a video is worth like 100,000 words or whatever. Let's also talk about contextual advertising. People are actively, not passively, searching your keywords on the world's second largest search engine, which is YouTube. You can advertise on your competitors' exact videos, steal your competitors' traffic, and laser target your campaigns. In fact, I just made a video on this a bit over a week ago, so make sure to check that out, or I'll send my grandma to your house with burnt cookies. Lastly, mindset. YouTube users have a learning mindset, making them more likely to engage with your content. And if I still haven't convinced you to use YouTube advertising, then please type a very nasty comment because I clearly have not done my job correctly. So thank you for watching, keep on advertising, have an incredible morning or afternoon or evening or whatever it is for you. So peace out.